What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and I haven't filmed in a very long time. It has been so long since I filmed a video because I was working on a huge project for my son's school, and I had no time to do anything but that project to make sure that I got everything done and ready for the kids at his school. Now that that project is over, we are at Christmas time, guys, and this video is for my September. You heard me right, September Heroes Tower Mystery Box. Now, you guys know, anybody who watches my channel knows that this is my favorite subscription box, but I was that busy that I did not even have time to open up from September all the way through now mystery boxes from this company. And I love this box. This is my favorite box. So you guys are going to see me in this same Christmas gear in the next 3 videos after this one, unboxing each box that I haven't gotten to yet. So this is like Christmas for me. I get 4 awesome boxes, I'm sure. Chad never disappoints. And I'm so sorry, Chad, that I haven't been able to film, but I was really extremely busy and I just did not have any time for anything but that. Plus I got really sick on top of everything else, but you guys don't care about that. What you're here for is the Heroes Tower Mystery Box for the month of September. And just to prove it to you guys, look, this is completely unopened. I did not open this box at all, okay? So I'm going to open it right now with you guys. All of the boxes are completely unopened. You know how hard that is for me to not open something that I'm sure is awesome, that I look forward to every single month. And let me just tell you guys, everything that I did for that school, I will not do again because it was just like... It's frustrating because people are so ungrateful when somebody pours their heart and soul into something, trying to make something nice for the kids. And I just feel like the adults in the situation weren't very appreciative. And for that reason, they ruined it for the kids. At any rate, again, you guys don't care about any of that. That's a whole other video for anyone who's interested in hearing about the story. Okay, so we got some packing. We'll undo all of that. So for those of you who don't know, I do support Chad on Patreon, and for that reason, I get a mini mystery box each and every single month. Now, normally we have a craft challenge. I don't know if he just stopped doing the craft challenge because I wasn't filming any videos. And again, Chad, I am so incredibly sorry, but I'm going to get myself back on track. And you know what? Next year, I am definitely going to focus on the things that I love to do, which is this channel and my crafts. So I'm going to focus on me next year. You know, it's going to be about me and not pouring my heart and soul into things for everybody else. That way I won't miss a video and I get to do these awesome things. I can see this box is already awesome. This awesome box that I love to unbox. Okay, so anyways, here's the mini mystery box. We'll set that one aside and let's go ahead and just jump right in, guys. So we have, I love it, Man-at-Arms. This is from He-Man. So, oh, can you guys see him? There it is. I do have a whole He-Man section in my geeky room, which again, guys, with me doing stuff for myself next year, you guys are going to actually see that for once. Oh, I love him. Oh, it's like I love this. It's a die-cast Leonardo. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I think I have 3 little cubby holes for them in my, it's like my craft room slash geeky area room, I guess you can say. I definitely have a section for that. All kinds of little goodies in here. Let's go ahead and open these ones up and see what's happening in here. Oh my gosh, it looks like all kinds of super fun stuff, you guys. Donatello! Oh my gosh! Donatello is my favorite. For those of you who can't hear me right now, is my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Oh my god, this thing is so great. It's a keychain. Oh my gosh, I love it. Mainly just because he's purple, guys. It has nothing to do with like his skill set and all of that kind of stuff. I don't even like his weapon of choice. Guys, I just love purple, so therefore Donatello is my favorite. Love it. And then we have an awesome Scooby-Doo magnet. Yay! And believe it or not, guys, I need more magnets, which is crazy because, you know, I have a lot of magnets that I've gotten from Chad, and it's crazy that I need more because my kid's always making things at school, you know, and I run out of magnets to hang stuff up on the fridge. This is Leonardo. I hope you guys are going to see him. I don't... It's a great magnet though, and I love these ones. Look at the back of this. It has a really good grip on it to hang stuff up on the refrigerator. So this stuff is so awesome. I miss opening stuff, guys. I miss all of this. This is just so much fun. So he always does include a postcard so that you can send somebody a geeky hello. Look at this fabulous Spider-Man postcard. This is awesome. And he does also include the postage stamp so that you can send somebody a geeky hello. Oh my gosh, stop it. I love it. It is look, I can even use this packaging for something. I love this. Look, a little Spider-Man figurine. Guys, this packaging is great. I could totally craft with this packaging. I'm looking forward to that. Definitely Spider-Man has his own little cubby hole in my geeky area because he is awesome. And then we have some comic books. We have He-Man. Look at that. Oh, that is great. Guys, these are so great to craft with. You know, they really are. Then we have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one. It looks like we got Raph on the front here. Look at that. That is so cool. Oh, I love it. I love it. Guys, I can't tell you how much I miss unboxing this. The Lego movie? Oh, stop it. Oh, this is fabulous. Look, there are so many fabulous. I just leafed through it really quickly. There are so many fabulous pictures. Guys, I am like turning into a super Lego geek, like big time Lego geek, because I have been, like, getting some Lego stuff from Chad and stuff like that. And I love building the stuff with the Lego. So this is really cool. Ooh, is this a craft challenge item? Oh, it is. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. We're going to do that later, you guys. He has a nice little note in here. Let me just see here. Oh, thank you. Oh, okay. I will read this, later. Yeah, I'll read that later. Okay, guys, so that was my main box for this month, for the month of September. I'm not going to do the craft challenge item until like later. I'm going to actually film all the craft challenge items separately, in a separate video for each month, because I didn't open these boxes yet, so I didn't know if there was a challenge, and I just wanted to make sure that I completed the challenge if there was. And now that I have more time on my hands, I can do that. Okay, so that takes care of my main box. Let's go ahead and jump into the mini mystery box for this month. And then, like I said, I'm going to film the craft challenges separately because I just want to make sure that I get them all. Ooh. Oh, stop it. Black and white figurine. How fun is that? Guys, I love it. Look. Oh, it's Batman. Should I open it? Should I just open it so you guys can see it? Oh, that's so fun. Let's open it. Okay, let's do it. So fun, you guys. Oh, I love Batman too. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so great. Look, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love that. I absolutely love it. This is fabulous. So this is going to be obviously a Batman theme one. Very cool. We have the awesome Batman patch. Look at that. Super, super cool. Loving that. All right. Oh, look at this magnet. Wow, this is like a serious magnet, you guys. Look. And it changes. I don't know if you guys are going to see the changing. Probably not. Oh, look. Maybe you guys can. There you go. Awesome. That is super, super cool. Okay. Oh, look at the little bag. Oh, I love these little bags. You guys, I have all these little bags hanging up, and I have all kinds of little like things that I need to craft with inside these bags. So it's like decorative storage. I love that. And then we have a super cool postcard, if I can spit that out. And it also does come with the postage stamp. I have a project that I've been working on with these postcards, and you guys are actually going to see that next year, because again, the next year is 2024 is going to be the year for myself. I'm going to do things that make me happy and just, you know, chill on busting my butt for everybody else who doesn't appreciate it. All right, guys, that is everything so far. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pause the video here, and then you'll probably see me in a different outfit doing the craft challenge items, and then we'll wrap everything up. Okay, guys, so I read through the lovely note that Chad left for me, and what he's going to do is he's going to turn the business over to his nephew. So the Heroes Tower mystery boxes will still definitely exist. You can still find them on Cratejoy. They're still going to be awesome, I have no doubt, but Chad is no longer going to be holding the reign of the business. He just has a lot of other things going on, and he thought that it would be best to pass it off to somebody who can turn it into something possibly bigger than he could. So, unfortunately, with that, the craft challenges are going to go away. So that's okay though, guys. Guys, I can take the things that they send me in this box and I can turn them into really fun crafts. So once a month, what I'm going to try to do, I make zero promises here, guys, because life sometimes gets in the way. But what I would like to try to do is just show you guys various different ideas of crafts that you can do with the comic books or whatever else, stickers, patches, whatever else they put in these boxes for me, so that you guys can see some great ideas that you can do that are super easy with the things that they put in this box. Okay, so with that, let's go ahead and jump into the craft challenge for this month, which is September. This is the month of September box. And the challenge was a comic book. So I had to do something with a comic book. Let's see what Chad did first. I already did open it. It's so super cool, guys. Look. So he has an M that it looks like he constructed with some it's like a cardboard, but it could be like reused cardboard from like maybe Zero Box or something like that. But that is super cool. What I love about this is he has all these little windows, right, guys? I mean, I could display it this way. Look, super cool, right? This is an awesome way to display it as well. However, he has these little boxes in here, and he included a little bag with the things, and it's got little Marvel people. How fun is that, you guys? So look, this is Black Widow, right? So, you know, I'll decide how I'm going to arrange this, but look. You know, you can put them in the little boxes. How fun is that? Look at that. Oh my God, that is so stinking cute. I freaking love it. So I don't know who all the people are that are included here. Let's just take a quick look. Looks like we have Hawkeye. This is the Incredible Hulk. How fun is this one, right? Oh yes, we have Iron Man, y'all. So here is Iron Man. Not sure how he stands up. There must be a stand for him and he's not in it. Okay, that's exactly what it is. So Iron Man goes like this, you guys. Iron Man, super fun, right? So we'll set that right there. And then we also have Captain America. We have, the heck is this guy's name? He's a bad guy. Don't tell me. Thanos. We have Thanos, so like he's a bad guy. What the heck is his name? And of course, the almighty Thor. Yes. Can you guys see him? Am I holding him right? Hold on. Yes. Okay, this is awesome. So obviously if I can fit Thor in the center, that's where I would love to put him. So we'll have to, yep, he'll fit perfect, guys. So this is going to be so great. I'll probably take a picture of this so that you guys can see it all like set up and stuff like that. I think it's so super cool. Chad, thank you so much. It has been so fun doing these craft challenges with you. It has been a blast. I'm going to miss your boxes, definitely, but it's okay. You know what? This is still going to be a great box. I know Chad wouldn't turn it over to anybody that would do anything less than a great job. So I'm looking forward to the future boxes, but I'm definitely going to miss the craft challenge, and I'm going to miss you, Chad. I'm going to miss you a lot. So let's go ahead and see what I made, which is not anything as fantastic as Chad did it again, because my life has been a complete craziness, but I did Wolverine. Look at that, guys. So here's the problem with this. So this is just like a shadow box thing that you can buy anywhere. I mean, you can get them in any craft store, right? Dollar Tree, wherever you want to get it. But here's what I did wrong. So I decided that I was going to see how it's all bubbled up and stuff. I'm so mad because this looked so cool when I put it on there, right? But what I did wrong is I've been using glue sticks to put pictures on things, and it's been working out perfectly. Like, it's so much smoother. It's a lot better than Mod Podge, but in this particular case, it was not. I don't know if my glue stick was old or what was going on, but it started to come up. So I started to try to fix it, and it was just a hot mess, you guys. So unfortunately, he's bubbled up, but I don't care. I'm still going to use it. I'm still going to put it out. I'm still going to put it in my little X-Men area, but as you can see, it's definitely not up to the par of quality that I would love for it to be, but it's still super, super cool. Love the idea. So I just cut this out of a comic book. So I just found this picture and I just like detailed cut it out. I don't know. Is that something you can do? If there's any teachers, just don't listen to what I say. You guys know what I'm trying to say. So anyways, yeah, I just cut it out in detail and didn't leave like all the background and all that kind of stuff. And I think it looks really cool. So I don't want all these people to fall out. I'm going to sit the people here so that they don't fall out. But as always, guys, let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Definitely Chad's. Chad is amazing. Mine is just a quick, easy idea that you can do if you want to create your own characters in a box. We're going to leave Thor there. I think he'll stay. I think he will. But you can't see his hammer. But there he is. So here's Chad's super cool creation. Here's mine, guys. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Again, this is not like a serious contest. You can say both of them were great ideas. You like both of them, whatever you guys want to say. But I think Chad did a fantastic job this month, as he always does. This is super fun. I love it so, so much. And again, it can be displayed either way. We have this way. We have the little cubbies for all of the little characters that he sent to me, which is so super cool. Oh, I love it. Chad, I'm really going to miss you, man. This was so, so, so much fun, but I'm going to continue to get this box. Each and every single month. I mean, I'm assuming I will. If I decide that I don't like it for whatever reason, I guess I'll stop. But I'm pretty sure that everything's going to be fine. I'm going to continue to get this box. Again, this is the Heroes Tower Mystery Box. You can find it on Cratejoy. So I'm not sure if like next month will be the first month where I get a new box or whatever. But going forward, somebody else will be at the reins. We'll see how this box goes. I'm looking forward to it. But if you guys are interested in it, you can find it on Cratejoy. Thanks so much for taking the time to check out this video, guys. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!